It's very cool because I use it as an accessory after a long day of shooting.
But it's a very expensive lens and it's a very expensive setup. This goes down to 20 meters. Like,
मैं तो कभी नहीं जा रही 45. ये this personal camera of Anand. ये कैमरा बैग है, but इसमें हम लैपटॉप भी रखते हैं. One second. Oh. Let's pack our shooting gear with us for travel. Let's go. So this is camera number 1. This is Canon R6, which is our most used camera. Really love it. And the lens 2870 is, I think, Anand's most favorite lens.
this combination is the reason why you see such beautiful photos and videos on our page. This is what we credit for.
You know what? It's an expensive lens and expensive camera, but if you really go ahead in your creator journey, I think you will end up somewhere buying a good camera.
Yes.
And this is it for us.
Okay, so this is the 16mm lens. Now, I didn't have money to buy 15-35 because I'd spent all my money buying that 2870. I could only buy one. So, luckily Canon came up with this wide angle lens that now we use in our car when we're shooting a selfie shot and things like that. So this is like the most beautiful lens, and thank you Canon for making this.
This is R50V by Canon, and it's a creator friendly camera. It's very lightweight and you can hang around your whatever, use it as a bag,
And looks
which
so
I
cool.
find it's very cool because I use it as an accessory after a long day of shooting, and then we're just going into the market, and it's lightweight and it's very easy to shoot. It's not intimidating for people also to walk around with a huge camera.
That's true.
So
Great for mini vlogs.
yeah, it's actually very good for it. So I think it's around how much for 50k?
60k, yes.
60k. So it's a good first camera to buy if you're thinking of moving from your phone to a more professional camera. I think this is really good, right?
I 100% get it.
This is Canon EOS R5 Mark II, जिससे हम shoot कर रहे हैं. So now we are shooting this on a phone. And this is 1535, which is again an overly used lens that I think for most of our shoots we end up using this.
All brand shoots are on 15
all brand
megapixel.
shoots are this.
But it's a very expensive lens and it's a very expensive setup.
Look at how cool it looks.
Yeah. Thank you Canon for...
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. Oof. So because we do a lot of underwater stuff, I have an action camera, this DJI Action 5 Pro, and this goes down to 20 meters. Like, you don't need a casing for it. So you can just go down just with this and it actually even tells you your depth. Funny story, I did free diving and I ended up doing 24 meters. And
अब
that's,
बंद हो गया ना?
and that's when I realized I needed a casing for it. I never thought I could like cross it, but now I have.
आज ही आया ये Amazon से actually.
Yeah.
Waterproof casing, which takes you to how many
I
more
think
meters?
This is I think 45 or 60, something like
हाँ.
that. Yeah, but like इससे deep तो नहीं जा
मैं
रहा.
तो कभी नहीं जा रही 45. ये this personal camera of Anand 45 meters. And ये उसके साथ selfie stick जो आती है,
Yeah.
DJI की है.
Yeah.
Really useful again because बहुत सारे हमने एकदम ऐसे करके shots लिए लंबे. And if you don't mind the selfie stick being visible,
Yeah.
then those are good shots too.
Exactly.
So now we'll be packing all the cameras and camera accessories in our bag. It's a huge bag because we have a lot of gear. So this bag is by Mokobara.
I love this bag. I love the color. It looks so cool when you wear it. And I think that's also very important, because you don't want to just be carrying around a random camera bag because they're all black and grey and they look, this looks really cool. So I love it. Plus it's huge. Let me show you.
So this bag can also be actually used for like a 1-2 day outing somewhere if
Yeah.
you are not using it for cameras.
You can definitely put clothes in it. And I think it was meant for clothes. We've just made it for cameras. Okay, I put all my action cameras in a sock. This is the best way to protect the lens from getting scratched. This is the mic by DJI and it's a wireless mic with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. This is absolutely very important for any filmmaking. This comes for around 28,000, but the newer versions come around 34. So yeah, buy it. It's worth the investment.
Now we are on our camera. Now we are shooting through our phone because we are putting the camera also in.
Yeah.
R5, R6, R50, DJI mic, DJI stand.
Yeah, it's like Papa, Mummy, Bacha.
So we are done with our cameras and lenses.
Yes.
Abhi,
The rest of the stuff that we have, this is a travel adapter. The दुनिया में कोई भी देश में जाओगे, it has like all these nice plug points. I also have a small stand and a holder for our big cameras. This also works really well. Plus ये swivel दिख रहा है, it also works.
we'll put all the Amazon links niche.
And there's like extra batteries because man, the way we go through batteries is insane. We shoot so much. Having 2 cameras, you really need 1 extra battery. So yeah.
ये कैमरा बैग है, but इसके में हम लैपटॉप भी रखते हैं. One second. Oh. A very unorganized person has to organize. It's very painful. So, one sec. Laptop goes here.
Yeah.
सारे hard disks. ये SanDisk है, 2 TB. That's a Seagate. Yeah. This is also a Seagate. These things are so expensive now. This is more important than gold right now. So ख्याल रखना, please. Like, and हमेशा, I think if you go on a long trip, we take an extra hard disk with us because इतना footage हो जाता है and there's no time to really like go through it while you're traveling. So हम store करते रहते हैं and आके then we, organize it. But this is good. Obviously a wire. We take charging materials of all of these. And in the end, we also, is so important for us on our travels because we don't travel with a photographer or a videographer. ये है हमारा 3,000 रुपए का photographer. Cheapest. But this doesn't fit in this, so we take it in our check-in luggage. It's around 2 kgs. So if it's domestic flight, Anant has to carry like only 10 kgs of clothes. Anant को जरूरत भी नहीं. Because ना क्या होगा? He'll be like नहीं, it's okay, सब कपड़े हैं, and suddenly he'll be like तेरे पास कुछ और है पहनने का, कुछ और colorful है, as if I'm carrying my whole wardrobe with me. So I carry extra things because like I'm in front of the camera a lot more, and usually I'm the one who starts a video. तो अच्छा दिखना होता है. So yeah, this is it. This is a lot, but this is how much we carry for the stuff we do, and we do a lot of YouTube. We do Instagram. We make a lot of brand videos. We work for hotels and stuff. So quality is very, very important for all those projects. And would like to end with one thing. If you want to be a creator, or if you are a creator, you do not need to have all of this to become a good creator. You can also do it with a phone because storytelling is more important. Having your own voice is more important. So first build that with a cheap phone. It doesn't matter. And if you want to continue in the journey, then grow, then become a professional creator. Yeah, then start investing in stuff. That is what I would say. Because it took us a lot of years to come here and to invest in this. This is an investment for us because we value our skill and we want to get better. We want to become filmmakers in the future. So that is our goal. So if this goal aligns with you, and I hope this is useful to you for your journey. And another thing, we use an iPhone, what is this?
16 Pro.
iPhone 16 Pro for stuff like stories and stuff. हम usually इससे click नहीं करते unless absolutely necessary because we enjoy clicking with the camera. We are not against clicking with the phone, but yeah, we use this for the phone things. Okay.
So guys, if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe, please. कर दो.
Subscribe कर दो, मैं थक गई बोल के.